What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, this is Bowie, and today we're gonna tell you about some good ideas to get for that roller skater in your life. I know there's lots of gift guides out there that are like this skate, this skate, this skate. So on this gift guide, there are no roller skates, but they'll still love it. We promise. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating, right, Bobo? That's right. So if you're a roller skater, or if you want to be a roller skater, or if you think roller skating is cool, then you should hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That's right. So that you can get notified when I post, which is every week. Yay! And head on over to cheerstothequeers.com so you can support my shop and support this channel. I heard a rumor that you have a roller skate friend or a roller skate loved one and you want to get them a gift for Christmas or the holidays or their birthday or whatever. And you don't want to get them a new pair of skates because maybe they have enough of those. So here's your gift guide, the ultimate top 10 things to get your roller skate friend if they already have roller skates or if your budget is not in the I'm buying them roller skates range, which is like most of us, right? I mean, if you do want to get them roller skates, there are a ton of different roller skates you can get them, but that's not what this video is about. So here it is, the top 10 things that you can get your roller skate friend or loved one that isn't roller skate. Also, this list isn't comprehensive, so don't get mad at me if something that you think should be on here isn't on here. There's only 10, there's so many things you can get roller skaters. Okay, bye. The first thing on this list is laces. Woo! So laces is one of those things that they are a very cheap gift. Not cheap like as in cheap, like cheap as in low cost, like inexpensive things to get a roller skater, and they totally spruce up a roller skate. Let me tell you, when you have roller skates and you're like, oh, I want them to have new life somehow, but you don't have a lot of money to give them new life, laces is where it's at. Getting a new pair of laces gives a roller skate a new personality. It makes it feel fresh and clean and exciting. And roller skate laces are right around the $10 mark, and you can get them all over the place, but you can also get them on cheerstothequeers.com. Gift idea number 2 is getting your roller skate bestie some insoles. Now you can get insoles from a bunch of places. I just made a video about FP insoles specifically, which are these guys, which I absolutely am obsessed with. And if you can get them FP insoles, I think that's a great gift. Insoles are a great gift for roller skaters because a lot of times we won't go and get them ourselves, but it's one of those things that's really nice to have, and honestly, the more insoles you have, the better. Like you can use them for your roller skates, but you could also use them for your regular shoes if you already have some in your roller skates. And a lot of them, you get like a size range, like maybe you'll get like 9 to 11, and then you cut them down, so they're a little bit more flexible in like the range. It's not like you have to know the exact size, but as long as you're close, usually insoles are like really good for that. So number 2, insoles. Speaking of the feet, the next thing on our list of things that you can get your skater that are not necessarily roller skates, but that a roller skater would love is socks. Roller skaters love socks. You wanna know why? Because we're always wearing socks, or some people don't, and I can't do it, but we love socks, and there's never enough socks. And look at how cute they look on the tree. Especially socks like these gumball poodle socks, which have fun sayings on them. And they say things like, daddy, or like, everything hurts and I'm dying, or I'm not for everyone, which is very true about me. Or you could get pride socks or skater socks. You can get socks at pretty much any skate shop that you go to. You could get gumball poodle socks on cheerstothequeers.com. You could get skater socks on moxieskates.com and use code REBEL. And you can get pride socks, which are like rainbow socks, and they're really, really good for people who have thicker calves or wide legs. And I would recommend getting those from either cheerstothequeers.com or from small skate shop probably would sell them. So you know how you're like, oh, I got socks for Christmas. A skater would be like, no, I got socks for Christmas. The next thing on our list is wheels. So everyone loves different styles of wheels. I think a great wheel that if you're getting like a gift for someone, a great wheel to go with is a light up wheel. Why? Because the light up wheels are really, really fun. You can wear them outside, especially if the person that you're getting a gift for likes skating, like trails or just like skating in the streets or what have you. Light up wheels are one of those really cool accessories just to own. So having light up wheels is awesome. These are the Cosmo Glow wheels from Moxie Roller Skates. You can get them on moxieskates.com. And if you use code REBEL, you'll get a discount. There's also the luminous wheels, which you can get, I think you can get luminous wheels at Pigeon's Skate Shop. I think it's pigeonskateshop.com or something like that, Pigeon's Roller Skate Shop. But if you use code REBEL, you could also get a discount there. But luminous wheels are also really awesome, and they come in a bigger gummy wheel, and there's also, I don't know if it's sold out right now, but there is a smaller, harder luminous wheel that is good for like dance skating and stuff like that. So, light up wheels. That's number 4? 4. That's number 4. Number 5 on our list is a skate leash. So skate leashes are thebomb.com. If you don't know what a skate leash is, you don't know how to use a skate leash, check out this video up here. I just made it. It's all about like skate leashes. So a skate leash is to carry your roller skates. So you don't have to just like hold your roller skates like this, but you could throw them over your shoulder or carry them like this. And there's a bunch of different fun designs. Someone that I know and love, Heather from Project Pinup, makes a lot of these. And these are some of the ones that Heather has made, and they are in my shop, cheerstothequeers.com. But also Derby Laces makes leashes, and there's a bunch of people that make leashes. But skate leashes are, again, one of those things that you could have like a million of, and sometimes they like will match your personality, sometimes they'll match your skate's personality, but all the times, they're always the most helpful, wonderful, cutest little thing that you can get someone, because yeah, we love it. We don't love carrying our skates. We love skating everywhere, but sometimes people make us take our skates off, and that sucks really bad, and it's really great to have a skate leash for when that happens. Or if you're just like a super baller, you could get your skate friend some flanners or slades, which are those skates that like you hook their shoe onto a plate and then you can unhook it and then just like you're in regular shoes again. But I promise that this wouldn't be anything about roller skates, so I guess forget I said that. But that's what I really want. Number 6 on our list is to get your skate friend some sort of accessory or fun item that has roller skates on it. So these are just an example. These are some roller skate keychains from my shop, but you can get them like roller skate earrings. You could get them roller skates on a backpack, like roller skate designs on stuff. Trust me, like roller skaters, we just really like roller skates. So when you see like roller skate stuff out in the wild, people who like roller skating will probably really like roller skate themed things, especially if they're classy and serve a purpose and they can slightly say like, hey, I'm a roller skater, even when they're not roller skating. We love that. I have roller skate stuff all over the place. I have a rug that someone made me that's a roller skate that's on my wall. I have like art that has roller skating in it, like roller skaters in the artwork that I love. I have like roller skate decals on things. Like it's literally too much, but I still love it. So roller skates on items. That's number 6. Number 7 on our list of things to get a roller skater that aren't roller skates is a helmet. That's right, getting a roller skater a helmet might save their life. And it also, there are so many cute ones. Like this one came from Moxie Roller Skates. Helmets are kind of expensive. Like they're like under $100 most of the time, but they're still like pretty pricey. And so it's hard to buy a new one for yourself, especially when like, so if you get hit pretty hard on your head or if you fall pretty hard on your head, you're supposed to replace your helmet, which is the reason why I have so few helmets, because I keep falling on my head. But when you like when that happens, it's really easy to just be like, nah, I just won't replace it, but we want you to replace your helmet. So getting someone a helmet, especially someone like, if you know your skate friend goes to the skate park or they use helmets all the time, getting them a helmet might be a really great gift for them. And there's really cute ones, like this one is from Moxie Roller Skates, and there's cute ones from S1 Helmets, and you get to do cool stuff like put your friend's helmet, your friend's stickers on them, like this one's from Shove, and this one's from Shove, because Shove's a great artist and I love her. But anyways, you should get someone a helmet, because that's a great gift. Helmets! Number 8 on the list of things that you should get your friend who's a skater or your loved one is bearings. Bearings are also one of those things that we don't like buying for ourselves, but we really should buy them, and it's really great when you get new bearings. Bearings are like the magic thing that makes your wheels actually roll, and so having clean or new bearings is like very wonderful for a roller skater, but it's one of those things that's not fun to buy. It's not. I don't know why, I can't explain it, but bearings aren't fun to buy. But when someone buys me bearings, especially if they're nicer bearings, I'm like, ooh, new bearings, I love it. I'm gonna switch them out right away. And so these bearings are the Moxie mixtape bearings. There are multiple types of bearings, and honestly, like, getting someone bearings is a great gift for a roller skater. And just remember that if you're getting a roller skater bearings, roller skaters have 8 wheels and we need 2 bearings per wheel. So we need 16 bearings. So if you get them a set of 8 bearings, that's not gonna be enough. They're gonna need 16 bearings. Speaking of bearings, a great gift for a roller skater is a bearing press. So a lot of us will use a bearing tool or even like the trucks of our skates in order to get bearings in and out, but a bearing press, especially like this Powerdyne one, like no lie, this bad boy is clutch. I love him. He is so helpful in my life. It makes taking bearings out and putting new bearings in so easy and actually kind of fun. So a bearing press is a great gift for a roller skater in your life. Chances are high they probably won't have one of these, but this is one of those like luxury items. They're like, ooh, you have a bearing press? Yes, yes I do. And I got it for Valentine's Day. Like I think I got this as a present, or I got it for Shove as a present, and it was top-notch present. It was like in our first year of dating or something. I don't know, worth it. Number 10 on our list of things to get a roller skater that isn't skates is toe stops or jam plugs. So depending on what type of roller skating your skater likes doing, there are 2 different kinds of things that might go right here. So a thing that might go right there is called a toe stop. And there are some really cute toe stops out there, like this one from Muse Skate Co. that looks like Dalmatians, and it's so cute, and I actually really like the quality of this toe stop. I like it a lot. I probably need more of these. So if you're thinking about getting me a gift. And then what you might want if you don't have toe stops is you might want something called jam plugs. And with jam plugs, it's a little item that goes in instead of the toe stop, and it's for dance skating. So like these are jammers, and what's cool about these is that they actually light up. So there are different colors of jammers, and there are these light up ones. There's also ones that aren't light up. There's ones that are made of like a hard plastic. There's ones that are made of acrylic. So getting someone jam plugs or getting someone toe stops. With toe stops, you just need to know whether they are a bolt-on or an adjustable toe stop skate. If they look like this, like it has this guy on it, then it is adjustable. If it has a screw in the middle of it here, that means it's bolt-on, and they will also really love that. Toe stops, there's also a couple other elements like long stem or short stem, but if you just like peek around at their skate setup or like ask their friends, they'll tell you which one you should get for them. So that's 10 items, 10 things that you should get for your roller skater that you love, that you don't know what to get to them, and you do not want to get them roller skates because roller skates are expensive. I hope you enjoyed all those things, that list. I hope it's helpful to you. And there's a million other things that you could also get for roller skaters, but that would be so long of a video, and so I wanted to narrow it down to 10 items for you. If you go shopping at Pigeon Skate Shop or at moxieskates.com, go ahead and use code REBEL. That will give you a little discount. And if you shop on cheersofthequeers.com, thank you so much for doing that because it really supports me and supports this channel. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you are secretly hoping that someone gets you for Christmas or for the holidays or for your birthday down in the comments below. And most importantly, cheers to the queers! Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy all the things. I love you, mwah!